Okay, so this is your ram, or piston, I guess, or maybe this is actually the piston. This for the steering setup. This goes towards the front. If you accidentally take this out, there's only one way I can go back in. It's got this curved edge, which meets up with this curved edge. You can see that our seals are blown out. So we got our little piston rings, cat hair. And you got a rubber grommet or O-ring here. And you got your seals and stuff in here. And this would be the same as this, just facing the opposite direction. Try to keep this in the right orientation, because as I understand it, one's left hand, one's right hand thread. So if you flip it and put it back together with this reversed, you're going to have to take it all apart again. So keep everything laid out as it went. That's good.
And just to recap, the orientation of everything is critical.